Hey people, welcome back to Why Crypto channel. Millionaires will be made you should purchase her, but you knew before September 28 explained she put you no price predictions are a popular issue as investors question whether the impending Ethereum merger will favor the meme coin. Due of its connection to Shiba Inu, investors and SHIB are probably eagerly following the Ethereum integration announcement. In this video, we'll talk about how to make millionaires by purchasing a Shiba Inu before September 28 explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on Shiba enterprise predictions and expert analysis. The SHIB token runs on the Ethereum blockchain, which means that the network powers everything connected to it. Let's start the video now without further ado. She was aware that investors are curious about the ETH march. Sharding is one thing to consider. As a result, the Ethereum blockchain will process transactions more quickly, which could help SHIBs by reducing gas costs. While wallet investors' one-year projection for the price of chips was $0.00000440 per share, Gulf Capital anticipated that it would reach $0.000058. The price of a digital coin is $0.000272 with an average 2023 Shiba prediction. Shiba Inu is currently down 6.8% over the last 24 hours on September 13th. The enthusiasm around Shiba Inu has recently resulted in a quick increase and accumulation. At this moment, there are more shareholders than ever before. 22 million at its highest stage. As strong bullish signals were sent throughout the cryptocurrency industry for Shiba too, which led to this historic peak, there has also been an increase in whale holdings. According to Whale Movement Tracker Whale Stats, the top 500 Ethereum whales currently hold SHIB tokens valued at over $157.4 million. 5.3% of their total assets are now taken up by the primary coin. The same platform also reported that more than 600 billion SHIB tokens had been added to the portfolios of the top Ethereum whales, which we can link to the notion that whale interest in an altcoin is a very bullish indication. For dealers, there was some hope earlier this week as whale activity appeared to be recovering. Over the previous 7 days, whale transaction metrics showed healthy whale activity. However, what happened over the past 2 days is of particular significance because it was the only time in the previous week where there was a greater concentration of whale transactions totaling over $1 million. SHIB was trading at $9 for 0.000129 of a coin, according to CoinMarketCap. After a small decline during the previous 24 hours. The weekly gains for the tokens were still higher than 5%, though. Shiba Inu is maintaining its position as the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency because to this traction. The weekly gains have seen some relief over the past week, but the trading profitability on the MVRV chart has continued to decline. Since late August, the MVRV ratio for SHIB trade has primarily displayed red flashes. This period comes before a time when SHIB trading will have it easier. Shiba Inu burning portal SHIB Burn just posted an update on the token's burning method in the middle of August. This report shows that during the past 7 days, a total of 272,140,724 SHIB tokens have been burned over 101 transactions. Even though the burning procedure removes countless SHIB tokens from the supply, the token's price action still exhibits notable variations. The team behind Shiba Inu has been working on fresh releases and developments despite the fact that it was a part of the crypto winter. In a recent tweet of his, Toshi Kusama, a new developer, previewed an impending pitch by the new team of SHIB. The message was also written by the developer. Good luck to us. The Shiba Inu community has been left in the dark by the team, and while fans reacted with suspense, they began to think about Satoshi Kazama's cryptographic article. Soon later, the creator of the Shiba Inu posted a number of GIFs without making any specific revelations. A pitch is a fresh idea that developers must present to the project manager. However, based on his tweets, he might be proposing concepts outside of the Shiba Inu for any prospective alliances with other players. For example, she might be working with a baseball club for any other sporting events. Shiba, though, might soon announce the release of its Layer 2 scalability solution, according to one estimate. The Jabariya project, which Shivaya's team is working on and which will also put a focus on lowering transaction costs, has been ongoing. However, the Shiba team has been stretching its muscles with advances in a variety of cryptocurrency industry sectors. The group has been putting effort into its Future Who Am I in the Metaverse initiative. We're all going to participate in Shiba's Who Am I Metaverse project. EU's focus is Korea. Consume some for improved living. The WAGMI temple would produce a Zen-like setting with metaverse connections, calm meditation, spiritual links to the planet, and natural beauty. The Shiva project will include fireside conversations where locals may ask questions, offer suggestions, and voice their concerns about the initiative. She is also working on releasing a collectible card game for its metaverse, as you may know. In a blog post in July, Batina creator Toshi Kusama mentioned that independent developers have been working on stable coins that appear to avoid the problems observed in prior moonshots. They are also preparing to introduce a decentralized stable coin and a reward token goodie. The Shi stable currency could be released later in 2020. She sent you news about the impending metaverse. The Shiba collectible card game will also be connected to the token treat. This token will assist in delivering balanced Shiba Inu to Shiba's native stablecoin, is an ERC20 Ethereum-based decentralized meme coin with more utilities than the modern meme coin and is highly compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. Shiba Inu's compatibility with the Ethereum ecosystem helped the system create its decentralized exchange platform, where users can trade and stake their coins to earn rewards. The Shiba team is also constructing an NFT marketplace where developers and producers can live in harmony inside a DAO-based environment. Security firm Pink Safe produced a research on September 8 outlining its results. The current supply is 543,63,278,876,301.95 lost, and despite the coin being 66.71% behind its all-time high, investors aren't sure it will climb when the bull market returns. A commit and Shiba in his public GitHub repository were found to have credentials for the project's Amazon Web Services account on August 22, it said. AWS access keys and AWS secret keys, as well as environment variables that let scripts access an AWS account, were among the data that was leaked. The shell script that ran the validator node's fishy but used Layer 2 network contained the impacted code. The company's AWS account was severely exposed by this error, according to Jabariya being safe, and it could have resulted in security breaches like money theft, embezzlement, and service interruptions. Jabariya being safe also stated that it tried contacting Shiba email and various developers via email and social media to alert them to the risk but did not get a response. The security company also looked for a bug reward program or responsible disclosure policy, but it was unsuccessful in doing so. The credentials expire after 2 days, therefore the leak is no longer dangerous. Following the Pink Safe's disclosure, the Shiba team also erased the commit containing the breach, and more recent code commits do not contain the data. Shiba hasn't been a key target for attacks. However, the coin has been taken in more significant attacks. A letter provided to Mt. Gox creditors shed more information on the payout timetable after the Mt. Gox hack in 2011, comparing the theft of Shiba with the $611 million attack on the Poly network and the theft of $32 million of the Shiba token during the Bitmart attack in December. Despite the soaring price of Bitcoin, debtors who had been waiting for 9 years must have believed that not much had changed. Now that certain precise dates have been made public, it is evident when the initial reimbursement installments will be made. Mt. Gox will start making payments on September 15. This relates to the ongoing legal actions from the past few years that have now led to the decision that creditors who submit to the required KYC and AML checks will be repaid. The majority of people want to sell their Bitcoin tokens after being reimbursed. In such case, the likelihood of a shift